Hey there, Joyce here. In today's video, we're gonna review this pizza cart. It's a rolling cart that I got sent out to review. Let me show you how it is. Here is how it's in the package. Here is everything that is included in the box. The user manual, the wheels. It seems that it has some toolkit right here, and these two parts. So it is a heavy box. This one has a film that you need to remove. So let's remove this. We have these parts. And for the first part, we're gonna need A and B and these, okay? Which are these, A and B, and this and this.
The actual card was pretty easy to install. Overall, it is pretty straightforward, but I will recommend you to check out how you are going to place the legs of the card, just because there are couple of holes that need to hold the bottom part, the black part, and that one it's a little bit tricky. So let's say that you misplaced the legs and you did the opposite sides. And if you do that, then you will have the wrong side to place correctly the bottom part, the bottom black part. So that is the only trick that I saw. Other than that, it is pretty straightforward and easy to put it together. I would recommend that you have something that that won't damage your floor while you are putting this together as well, since it is made of metal. But it is very, very nice card. It can help you to bring a lot of things at once and serve the people that you're hosting, or also to bring and to take like, for example, if you're making a barbecue in the kitchen in the backyard and you want to bring a lot of things from the kitchen, these will help you as well. And it is safer to do it here with this card than just transferring everything by yourself on hand.
When you have a feast and you have people, this is great because you just grab everything you need and you just pull everything. And here is our cart. You can use this with pizza when you have visitors, and then you just serve your food right here. You have this handle to pull it. You have some hooks to hang some gloves or some spatulas. You have more space right here. You even have a bottle opener right here, and it's super nice. You have this handle right here, and on the other side you can hang as well some towels. So it is very handy to have these for any party now that we are on the holidays.